I am Mark Joseph Calano, a student of TCM at the SMIC Institute of Chinese Medicine. I come from a rather unique background because I didn't come from any health-related field. I was a faculty of philosophy and theology and linguistics at various universities, most especially when I shifted to acupuncture. It's quite interesting that from a non-health allied field, I shifted to a health allied field, and SMIC ITCM facilitated that. Coming from the social sciences and the humanities, I studied philosophy and religious studies and applied linguistics from various higher education institutions. I am currently Vice President for Research and Innovation at Pan Pacific University, while also at the same time doing clinical practice in Metro Manila. SMIC Institute of Traditional Chinese Medicine introduced acupuncture to me in 3 ways. First, it facilitated a very broad and general introduction to Western medical sciences and concepts. By doing this, it allowed me to get to know anatomy, human physiology, pathophysiology, pharmacology, medical ethics, and the like. Secondly, the acupuncture course also allowed me to get to know Chinese medicine foundations and concepts. It facilitated, of course, not just the knowledge of these foundations, but also the identification of points, diagnosis, and treatment protocols in addressing certain patterns which Chinese medicine addresses. Lastly, not only did SMIC ITCM teach me concepts and theories in Western medicine and Chinese medicine, it also provided me with a space where I am able to exercise these concepts through our very interactive teaching clinics. Building on the knowledge that the certificate in acupuncture has given me, we move now to traditional Chinese medicine. In studying traditional Chinese medicine, we are first given 3 things again. First, the in-depth knowledge of the foundations in traditional Chinese medicine, which is almost already necessary in any traditional Chinese medicine training. We read Shang Han Lun, Wang Ti Nei Jing, Wen Ping, and other traditional Chinese texts. This allows us to not just get to know the sources of traditional Chinese medicine, but also at the same time to reflect more deeply on these texts. Secondly, traditional Chinese medicine course also introduced to us the Chinese materia medica. The Chinese materia medica allows us to comprehend every single herb in terms of its organs, its temperature, and its effects. And combining all of these materia medica, it also introduces to us the different formulas that are involved in traditional Chinese medicine. Lastly, we are going to integrate our knowledge in acupuncture and the materia medica and formula in not only in treating patients in our teaching clinic, but also in addressing and getting to know specific patterns and responding to these patterns. So if you're interested in acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine, we promise you that we have competent teachers and very nice community of fellow scholars and co-learners that can help deepen and appreciate your knowledge of traditional Chinese medicine. So come to SMIC Institute of Traditional Chinese Medicine.